Let's about see the question 3. And then the first, we got the speech the script. And first, and we should drag a graph and put interesting the rates and on the Victoria and the X-ray. And its income on the horizontal and X-ray. So, and we mean mark the 2 points. It's from the part B. And the first one is about the R and equal to the 5%, and Y is equal to the 3075. And the second point is about the R equal to the 15%, and Y is the 6205. And connect these 2 points and with a strategy night. And this night is the LM the cruise rate, and it's the steps and upward. Okay, and let's see the second question. And why does the LM the curve and slope and upward? It is because it shows the possibility link between the R and Y. And when the money market is balanced, and the R will goes up, and people that want to invest money for the investment. Because then I choose bonds and for the more returns. And the money price is fixable. And so the person need the more money for the daily use. And the daily money is made to test to Y. So the Y must go up. And when the R goes down, and people want more the money for the investment, so the Y goes down to keep the mark balance. And this is why the LM, the curve and the slope, it will upwards.
Alright, so the question says, numerous speculative demand increases by 100. That means the constant in speculative demand goes from 400 to 500. So old speculative demand is 400 minus 1000 R. The new one is 500 minus 1000 R. So the total new money demand equals to 0.5 Y plus 500 and minus 1000 R. So let's set the equal to supply. So 0.5 Y plus 500 and minus 1000 R equals to 2000. 0.5 Y equals to 1500 plus 1000 R. So the Y equals to 3000 plus 2000 R. That's the new LM curve. Alright, question 2. Now we just need to plug in the interest rate. So when you add 10%, Y equals to 3000 plus 2000 times 0.1 equals to 3000 plus 200, which is 3200. So when I add 20%, Y equals to 3000 plus 2000 times 0.2, that would be 3400.
Hello, my name is Pu Xiao, and my metric number is eppe1023 and my part is question 2 and C, part C. And as for the explanation, as you can see in the picture, when speculative demand rises by 100, and people will hold more money for speculations. So for the same level of income, the interest rate must rise to maintain money market equilibrium. So hence the LM curve will shift to the left. Thank you, that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Liao Xingyu and my metric number is eppe1023. And let's talk about the question 2. The first one, given M8 is 2000 and MDT is 0.5 Y and MDS is 400 minus 1000 R. Substitute this into the equilibrium condition, and we can get the 2000 is 0.5 plus 400 minus 100 R, or 1000 R, and at last we can get the y is 3,200 plus 2,000 r. And the second one is when the r is 10%, substitute r is 10% into the LM curve equation. We can get y is 3,400, and when r is 20%, we can get y is 3,600. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Liu Haibo. Today I will share about the assessment of money market and LM curve analyze question 1, A and B. First, let's look at question A. Derive the LM1 and LM2 equations. Okay, let's look at the question. To solve this problem, we analyze the LM curve, which represents money market equilibrium, where money supply equals total money demand. Total money demand has two components: transaction demand equal to 0.5y, and speculative demand equal to 300 minus 500 r. Part A. Deriving LM1 and LM2 equations. The LM curve is derived by setting money supply equal to total money demand. So for LM1, money supply equal to 4,000. We can start with the equilibrium condition. Money supply equal to total money demand, and 4,000 equal to 0.5 plus 300 minus 500 r. And rearrange to solve for y. We can say that y equal to 7,400 plus 1,000 r. This is the LM1 equation. And for LM2, money supply equal to 2,000. We can use the equilibrium condition. Know that 2,000 equal to 0.5 plus 300 minus 500 r, and multiply by y equal to 3,400 plus 1,000 r. This is the LM2 equation. Then let's look at the question B. Calculate the income level for the LM1 and LM2 curves if the interest rate is 5% and 50%. 5% means 0.05 and 50% means 0.15. For LM1, y equal to 7,400 plus 1,000 r. When rate is 5%, y equal to 7,400 plus 1,000 times 0.05 equal to 7,450. When rate is 15%, y equal to 7,400 plus 1,000 times 0.15 equal to 7,550. For LM2, y equal to 3,400 plus 1,000 r. When rate is 5%, y equal to 3,400 plus 1,000 times 0.05 equal to 3,450. When rate is 15%, y equal to 3,400 plus 1,000 times 0.15 equal to 3,550. Okay, that's all. Thank you.